In this video, we want to learn how to change the subject or the formula for cases involve powers and roots. For example 3, we want to make x the subject of the following formulas. For the first formula, x squared equals to yz. We notice on the left side of this formula, we have x squared, or x to the power of 2. So to make only x the subject of the formula, we need to remove the power 2 from the left side. So using the first rule, when we see power 2, to undo, we need to square root the left side. Next, using the second rule, we need to do the same action on the right side. So therefore, we will square root yz. We need to write the plus and minus sign in front of this square root because there are two possible solutions for a square root. One is a positive answer, the other one is a negative answer. So therefore, to show our workings, we want to make x the subject of the formula x squared equals to yz. We will have x squared square root on the left side equals to square root on the expression for the right. So finally, we will have x equals to positive and negative square root of yz. So this is how we make x the subject of this formula. For the second formula, we have square root of x equals to y plus z. We notice that on the left side of this formula, we have square root x. To make x the subject of this formula, we need to remove the square root from the left side. So using the first rule, when we see a square root, to undo, we need to square it, or power 2, on the left side. Using the second rule, we need to do the same action for the right side. So therefore, we need to square, or power 2, on the right side for the whole expression. So therefore, showing our workings, to make x the subject of the formula square root of x equals to y plus z, we will have square root of x, the left side square, equals to y plus z whole bracket square. So finally, we'll have x equals to y plus z whole bracket square. We can choose to leave this in a factorized form, or we can expand this expression. So that is how we make x the subject of the formula. Now that we have learned how to change the subject of the formula involving powers and roots, explain in your own words on how to do so in the spaces provided.